Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the scribble stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the half double crochet stitch, and the triple crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make an even number of chains. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 half double crochet into the second chain from your hook. Make 1 triple crochet into the next chain. Make 1 half double crochet into the next chain. Make 1 triple crochet into the next chain. Make 1 half double crochet into the next chain. Make 1 triple crochet into the next chain. You're now going to repeat this, alternating from making half double crochets and triple crochets until you reach the end of your row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 3 chains. We're now going to be making the opposite stitches in the ones we made on our last row. So we ended on a half double, so we're going to make a triple into this first stitch. Into the next stitch, we're going to make a half double. Into the next one, a triple. Into the next one, a half double. Into the next one, a triple. So on rows where you're going to start with a triple, you're going to have the 3 chains at the beginning. You would now alternate between making half doubles and triples for the rest of your row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 2 chains. So we're going to do the same thing with row 3. We're going to work the opposite stitches into the ones we made on our last row. It's just starting a little differently. We're starting with 2 chains because we're going to be starting with the half double crochet stitch since we ended on a triple. So into the first stitch, make a half double crochet. Into the next stitch, make a triple crochet. Into the next stitch, make a half double crochet. Into the next stitch, make a triple crochet. Into the next stitch, make a half double crochet. Into the next stitch, make a triple crochet. So again, you're going to repeat this sequence until you reach the end of your row. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the scribble stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.